Hi, my name is Tommy. I go to Mills High School in Millbrae, and this is my second year in Blue STEM Engineering. I'm glad to be back. And my starter project for this year is the Multimeter. What it does is it can measure voltage, resistance, and current of other things. So it has a lot of electrical components. For example, those are blue things are resistors. What they do is they reduce the current when current goes through them, and those black things are transistors. They can amplify and switch electrical signals, and those round things are capacitors. What they do is they can store energy and they can release them at the same time, like in one time, and that is the fuse, and it just protects the whole thing when the whole thing heats up, and it can sacrifice itself when it just blows up but save everything else. And that is a potentiometer. It's kind of like a resistor, but what it does is it can erase all the resistance if it wants. And here's the demonstration of the multimeter. So I just need to attach the wires, and here's a demonstration of me measuring the voltage of a battery. And this is a 9-volt battery, so I need to turn it to direct current, maximum 20 volts. And as you can see, the voltage measurement shows up on the multimeter, and so that's how it works. And I really like the project because it teaches me a lot about soldering and electrical components. Even though I know them from last year, they still refresh my memory, and they might actually help me in my main project, which is the final key, and I will show you guys in my future videos. Thank you.